Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use our live room built-in experience. This is incredible. If you're hosting live events, now you can actually create events directly from our events tab inside of your community and connect in with our built-in live event experience. You also have the ability to connect in with your Zoom link, your Google Meet link, or an external meeting link. But our built-in live meeting rooms are incredible. So let's check it out. I want to show you the features of our built-in live event room. So first of all, you actually have at the top right your view. So you can actually have a speaker view, or you can have a gallery view, which will show the participants on the call. On the lower left-hand side, you can turn on or off your audio. You can also turn your video on or off as well. And you'll see the number of participants here on the bottom right of that screen. Additionally, there's a chat feature, so you can have conversations directly happening right inside of the live community. There's a reaction button, so participants can go ahead and support by utilizing an emoji, and participants can also raise their hand, making it really convenient for them to get their questions answered. There's also a share screen option, so you can share your screen. There's also settings where you can adjust your audio as well as your video. You and your participants can also use a background feature. Now we're going to take a look at the Participants tab. So when you click on the three dots to the right of the participant's name, you'll have a few options as the actual host of this live event. You can mute their mic, revoke mic access completely. You can allow them to unmute. You can turn off their camera or revoke camera access. You can also allow camera. You can allow them to share their screen. You can stop them from sharing their screen. Maybe you're coaching and you want to see something that they're working on, or give them some feedback on a landing page, or help them set up their ads. They can share their screen and you can go ahead and help them. If you have a disturbance, you can also remove them from the room completely. And at the very bottom here, you have the ability to mute all. So maybe you're doing some live session where you don't want any interference, any questions, any background noise. Just turn everyone's mic off at once. And then at the lower right, you can end the session. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up. On the left-hand side, on the sub-account level, we're going to go ahead and click on memberships. Then you're going to go to the top and click on communities and groups. Go ahead and log into the group where you want to actually host your live event. Once inside of the community, you're just going to click on the events tab, and here you're going to schedule your event. We're going to go ahead and give this a title. You can also change the color of your event. Then you're going to add your start time as well as your end time for this event. Select your time zone. If it's a recurring event, you can check this box here. And then you can also state if this is going to recur daily, if this is going to be a recurring weekly event, monthly, or annual event. Maybe you want to have it recur every day for the next 7 days. So you can have it end on a specific date or on a number of occurrences. I'm going to go ahead and leave this as a one-time event. Now you're going to select the location, and here we have our built-in live room. Next, it's going to create a live room link, and this link can be shared with your participants. Then go ahead and add your description. You can also hide location from non-attendees as well. So we're just going to go ahead and upload our own banner. And then here you have an option on who can attend the event. It can be all members. It could be members that are at a specific level. You can also include members who are in a course, or members that are assigned to a private channel. I'll go ahead and leave it on all members. You also have the ability to remind attendees by email 1 day before the event. If you don't want that, you can just toggle that off. And then you can also hide attendees from group members. If you don't want group members to see those who are going to be attending the group, just toggle this on. Then hit next. You can charge for this event. So if you have an event where there's a fee involved, go ahead and select paid and then enter in the price point and the currency. You can then create the event. If it's a free event, click on the free option here, no payment required, and then create your event. Here you'll see that we have an event created right here on the events tab. If you click on the event, your participants have the ability to register directly for this event. All they need to do is just click on register. You can view the attendees as well if you mark that as public. And if you need to delete the event, you can go ahead and delete it by selecting the trash can. Or if you need to make edits to it, just go ahead and select the pencil edit icon right here to the right and make any updates to your event that you'd like to make. Once you've created this event, you can actually post this event live inside of your community. So when this event is scheduled to happen, members can go directly to the Events tab, click on the event, and they can just click the Live Room button to join. And what's really amazing is that members can join directly live from their mobile phone as well. Use our built-in Live Room feature for your next event directly inside of the Events tab in Communities. For more information on this tutorial, check out our corresponding help doc below. And if you'd like more tutorials on how to use HighLevel, don't forget to check out our Content Army playlist for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!